To remove the fabric from the Fast Asleep full-size travel playard, start by removing the change your napper accessory and mattress pad. Next, locate the zipper under the top edge of the frame. Undo the buckle and unzip both ends of the playard fabric. Once unzipped, separate the zipper at each corner of the frame, pulling the top portion up and over the frame and the bottom portion below the leg release button. On one end of the frame, locate the attachment point clip. Pull down on the fabric around the plastic clip to release it from the playard frame. Repeat on the other side and then flip the playard over. Unhook the tab on one of the playard feet by pulling up on the plastic tab and pushing it down through the foot. Repeat for the other 3 feet. Now, pull the fabric sleeve up and over each playard foot until it becomes taut. Release 2 of the legs on one side of the playard to allow slack, and slide off the leg sleeves. Now, repeat for the other 2 legs. When replacing the fabric of your playard, repeat the previous steps in reverse order. As you begin, make sure to place the lower section of the zipper over the leg. Before sliding the fabric sleeve onto the leg, you will need to unlock each remaining leg to let the fabric sleeve slide on. Then, rethread each tab up through the opening on each playard foot and push it down, snapping it into the groove. Repeat for the other 3 feet. Wrap the fabric over the top rail and snap on the attachment point clips by pushing them onto the post on the frame. In the corners, lift the bottom part of the zipper over the leg release button. Once your fabric is zipped close, ensure the safety buckle on the zipper tang is clicked in.